In this video, I'm going to break down what white labeling is versus what private labeling are, what they are, the pros and cons of each, and which e-commerce model might make sense for you right now. White labeling simply means you're taking an existing product into the marketplace, slapping a logo on it or a brand name, and then selling it online. You probably remember what a fidget spinner is, massage gun, phone cases being mass promoted on your Facebook and Instagram feed. 90% of these were simply white label, and it's one of the most popular e-commerce methods out there, mainly used by dropshippers, and sometimes used by Amazon sellers. The pros of white labeling are it's quick, it's easy, and not overly expensive to get started. But why? Because you're simply just contacting a supplier overseas using a site like Alibaba and then putting your label on it. Meaning there is no change to the product, little change to price, and you can get your e-commerce business off the ground pretty quickly. Strangely enough, the pros of white labeling can actually be the cons as well. And in turn, you make less money. Because you're making zero to no change to the product, your product becomes just like everyone else's. Now I want you to just think, how many phone cases and fidget spinner ads did you see out there? Why would your product be different? Why would someone buy your spinner over someone else's? And why would I pay your price when I could pay a lower price somewhere else? This is the biggest problem, and the main reason why white label e-commerce sellers can have yo-yo-like revenue and makes lots in one day and very little the next. Private labeling, on the flip side, involves changes to the product and the label itself. So instead of just copying and pasting, private labeling actually allows you to make your product different, better, and more valuable to a marketplace and to a specific customer. Think of a water bottle, for example. If you added a clip or even a straw to it, you're differentiating and improving the existing product. The other thing with private labeling is that you become more brand-based. And with consumer skepticism being sky high right now and trust being at an all-time low, building a trustworthy brand makes it much easier to make more sales, charge more for your product, and to create a cult-like following. Remember when I was asking why someone would buy your fidget spinner over someone else's? Well, private labeling solves that by making the fidget spinner better, by adding different designs or even features, and building that brand around it. There's a reason why Coca-Cola outsells any no-name grocery store pop, and why you would much rather prefer an Apple phone instead of a no-name overseas knockoff. Branding matters, it's as simple as that. And it's been proven to not only increase your sales, but also improve the consistency of sales as well. Now, myself and my twin brother Eric, we do this by harnessing the power of selling on Amazon. We're tapping in directly to a massive audience base, and it's giving a huge kickstart to our business. We find existing products that sell well already on Amazon and we make them 10 times better. We focus on a specific niche, a specific target market, and we absolutely blow it up. If you're looking to sell on Amazon and you're interested in what we do and how we private label products, then I put together a guide for you that you can click directly on the screen.